Hello JSS students, here is a very simple equation for you. 9 divided by 2y plus 5 divided by 7 equal to 5. What I will advise you is do not simplify the left hand side, because I know some of you might go and find the LCM of 2y and 7. You understand? Simplify the left hand side and transform it into a single fraction. You have to get the same answer. But since this is just a number 5/7 and we have a number here, why not you take this one to the right? That is the best way to solve this problem. So we have 9 divided by 2y here equals 5 minus 5 divided by 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 35 minus 5 is 30. So to the right hand side we only have 30 divided by 7. So from here, if you like, you can cross multiply, right? But yeah, let's just cross multiply. But sometimes I don't even like that cross multiplication once I can make y the subject, because I know I can easily switch these numbers. Take this 2y here, bring 30 here, all the same. But let's cross multiply, which means that 2y multiplied by 30 is equal to 9 multiplied by 7, right? So let me come here. I don't want to even multiply this because I know we have a common factor here. So we have, we can divide both sides by, this is 60, remember? So I don't want to change it to 60, because look at it, you can divide both sides by 3. So that this becomes 10 and this becomes 3, right? So that's what I want to do. So y finally is equal to 9 times 7 divided by 2 times 30. Because 2y and 30 are all multiplying. So if you isolate y, you have 2 times 30, which is going to divide to the right hand side. So you can see that 3 will divide 9 exactly 3 times, and 3 will divide this exactly 10 times. So what we have here is 3 times 7, which is 21, divided by 2 times 10, which is, wait, 20? Okay. We cannot simplify this anymore, unless if you want to write it as a decimal. So this is our final answer, 21 divided by 20.